There's the cup.
Okay.
We're going blind.
I kind of lost track of it that time,
yeah,
actually.
me too. Oh well.
Yeah, I just had a hiccup. So I'm on my way to a dentist appointment. It's almost 1 o'clock. It's beautiful out. It's about 68 degrees, I think, maybe 66, because it's my birthday month. I think there are sales that I can take part in. So Indigo has 20% off during your birthday month. So I might go buy some candles from there. I need something from Sephora, so I might just go pick up my birthday gift early if they still let you do that. That truck is very loud, so I'm not sure if you caught the tail end of that. Forgot to film in Sephora. How much do we think this is? $45? What? I'm a little bit shocked. 25, 30. See, this is a fun game, isn't it? 30 also. 25. All right, get me my candlesticks. Oh, hey, I have that book at home. Oh, and that book. This thing is $55. Well, I guess I'm not getting anything from here today because they don't have candles. Hard to believe why this one was such a flop. Oh my god, I didn't expect this, but every year I go to the same spot for tulips. Look at them! They're a little bit of a different color, but they're like definitely the beautiful ones from year over year. They're sometimes really, really pink, but these are like reddish pink, and I love these. I'm having a great time. Oh, look at these. They have so many extra colors. All right, so I'm gonna have my lunch, but at Sephora, I picked up another one of the tinted glossy lip balms the glossy lip balms. I got this, and then I tested out, as you can tell from this photo, a lot of different other lip products, and then I wrote down the ones that I liked and the shades that I liked because it's really hard to tell online what they look like. So my birthday gift this year is this Glow Recipe. Obviously, I was just sold on the packaging of the Pretty in Pink. We'll figure out how to use them. I think they'll smell really nice because they're watermelon flavored. And I'm just gonna have a nice time figuring these out. I am off to spin. It is 6 o'clock and I'm gonna go to the first class I've gone to since my 100th ride, since it's been very busy with the move and it's just, sometimes you just don't make it. You sweet, sweet bin honey pie.
Sweet, sweet idiot.
Jeez. I don't think this is gonna go well with nothing. Okay.
Sure. Are we blindfolded ourselves?
It's gonna go everywhere. We have outlets here. I wish we just did it in the sink.
Which one do you want?
Oh gosh. I guess this one. My hair is gonna get in the way though. Okay.
I mean, should we like look and take a mental note of where the cup is, or are we just... All right.
I think we're just going.
There's the cup.
Where's the cup?
Right there.
Okay, you moved it.
I did.
Okay. That's important. Okay.
Yeah.
My turn?
Sure. I mean, that does sound like you filled up the cup. To be fair.
It's gonna overflow. Unless you filled it enough.
I mean, should we just look now?
Yeah.
No. Well.
We just get some on the counter.
Did we?
No.
I feel like
we did it wrong. I feel like a random, like it's just supposed to be, I guess there's more, is there more to this?
maybe we just don't touch the cup?
I guess, but we still know our counter. Like we understand space. We should fill these halfway each. Oh.
I thought there was more spillage than...
We should fill them halfway each, and then, so that if we both make the cup, then we, you know, don't overflow it. Okay.
There's the cup.
Okay.
We're going blind.
I kind of lost track of it that time,
yeah,
actually.
me too. Oh, well.
Are you going first?
Yeah, and I'm
Are you going to reach for it or no?
Nope, just one hand.
Your counter.
Yeah,
Your counter.
I think you might have gotten it, though.
I think I did, actually. Yeah, that sounded like
yours.
yours.
I mean, there's a lot of... Okay. All right, well, that was fun. And we didn't make a mess.
No, because it's just water. And it also didn't go that way. Yeah, no, it just all came this way and stayed.
We didn't dump it on our feet.
Good thing I got a bunch of new paper towels today.
Alright, well that was silly. I enjoyed it.
I did too. You look like a Smurf. Head won't be in this shot at all because you're so tall.
Yeah.
Late night shenanigans. Good morning, vlog. It is Tuesday, the 9th of May. I leave for Ottawa in a few days, and then I'll be in Maryland for several weeks. So, my hair, we're gonna deal with my hair today. I'm getting a haircut, and I haven't had one in several months. I don't think I've had one since the summer. When the camera dies at 30%, am I right? Going back to the same girl. I'm really excited to just get this taken care of. Yeah, just there you go. Thank you for seeing me today. I would have come Saturday, but I'm glad we could do today.
Oh, yeah, good.
I love it. She curled it a little bit too, just because I told her I don't wash my hair like more than twice a week, so it's beautiful. This is pretty. I would consider this for the wedding for sure. I got about 2.5 inches cut off my hair, as you noticed anyway when she was doing that. And I'm gonna hop into a couple of meetings now, but I'm feeling fresh and I'm feeling nice, and nothing like a good scalp massage, hair wash, haircut to make you feel brand new. It's been an hour since I got my hair curled. It straightens very quickly. This is why I don't style my hair. It takes longer to do than it will hold. I wanted to take a few photos in this pink alley, but it's been blocked off by strangers. So I'm traveling this week, which is why I got my hair cut. I just got my friend's wedding invitation for next year in Europe. Oh my god. And my medication looks like it's finally showed up. So we gotta go pick that up because I put that in 2 weeks ago. They lost it. It was a whole thing. But now before we get to any sort of packing logistics for Alicia, because I'm gonna go full Alicia on this packing because I'm gonna be gone for over 2 weeks, I just really need to get this medicine that I was supposed to get in April, and it is May 9th. So yeah, this is finally happening. I shouldn't say that yet. They might not give it to me still for some reason. Every time something always goes wrong with this place, but we'll keep positive vibes starting now, and let's go get my medicine. As predicted, I don't get my medicine today. It's coming in tomorrow. They just gave me a notice in advance, which is dumb, but that's just how it's always worked. So this invitation came from so it came from Japan, and it looks like they only sent it like a week ago, and I got here so quickly through airmail. So, ooh, okay. I'm opening this without Tommy. I'm sure he'll understand. This is my college roommate, so. Oh, I'm gonna go on their wedding website now. I love looking at people's wedding websites. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, destination wedding time. Good Wednesday morning. I am going to the office today. I will be back to pack later, and I will watch all the hockey that's on TV. Sounds like a beautiful Wednesday, in fact. My cold's coming back a little bit because Of course it is. It's just having to get up, you know, everything. It'll be a bit much until probably I fully settle back into Maryland in the middle of next week. But yeah, I'm just finishing up some odds and ends here, finishing up some of my tasks here from work before we go, of course, and then I will just be on holiday.